Welcome to English Learning with me. Should is a modal verb used in English to indicate obligation, recommendation, or likelihood. Here are some common uses of should with examples and their Urdu translations. Obligation or duty, used to indicate something that is necessary or the right thing to do. Example, you should do your homework. Advice or recommendation, used to suggest something that is a good idea. Example, you should visit a doctor if you're feeling unwell. Expectation, used to indicate that something is likely or expected to happen. Example, the train should arrive at 6 p.m. Polite suggestions, used to make a suggestion in a polite manner. Example, should we go for a walk? Conditional sentences, used in conditional sentences to indicate potential outcomes. Example, if it should rain, we will cancel the picnic. Here are some more examples with translations. Example, you should eat more vegetables. Example, students should respect their teachers. Example, we should start the meeting now. Example, she should apologize for her mistake. Example, you should save some money for emergencies. These examples illustrate the different contexts in which should is used and provide corresponding Urdu translations to help understand their usage better. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.